Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Today, we're talking about the smartest order to invest your money in Nigeria. Let me ask you something simple. If you get money today, maybe salary, business profit, or unexpected cash, do you know the first thing you should do with it? Most people think the answer is invest it. But that's where many people in Nigeria start making mistakes because in real life, money does not grow just because you invest. Money grows because you use it in the right order. And today, I will show you that order in a very simple way. You just have to stick with me to the end because the last step is the one most people ignore. And it is the one that changes everything. Step one, stop money from leaking out first. So basically, what do I mean? Now, before you invest anything, you should ask one question. Am I losing money quietly somewhere? Because many people are already losing money every month without knowing. For example, loan apps with high interest, salary advances you keep rolling over, personal loans with heavy charges, or buying things on credit with extra fees. Here is the truth. If you are paying high interest like 20%, 30%, or even more, and you are also trying to invest at the same time, you are running two opposite directions. One side is growing money, quite alright. The other side is killing your money. So the first step is simple. Kill expensive debt first because paying off a 30% loan is the same as earning 30% guaranteed return. Very few investments can beat that. Step number two, build a small safety net. Now, after you've stopped money leak, do not rush into investment. You need protection first. The reason is this because life in Nigeria is not stable. Things can happen very fast. Think about job loss, family emergency, medical problem, rent problem, business slowdown. Ask yourself, if you don't have backup money, what happens? You tend to borrow or sell investment too early or go back into debt. So you need emergency money, not for investment, not for profit, just for survival. You could actually start small, like put aside 1 to 3 months of expenses, then grow it to 3 to 6 months, of expenses. Keep that money somewhere safe, like money market fund or treasury bills. Now, this money is your protection, not your profit money. Step three, use any free money first. Now, here is something many people ignore completely. If you are working in a formal job in Nigeria, you probably have pension deductions. This is a system called RSA pension under Nigeria's pension structure managed by the National Pension Commission. Now listen carefully. Your employer also contributes money for you. That means you are not investing alone. You are getting extra money added to your future savings. This is one of the best returns you can ever get because it is guaranteed. So before thinking about stocks or crypto or any risky type of investment, make sure you are fully benefiting from employer pension contributions or any matching savings plan at work or cooperating savings benefiting if available. This is what I call free money stage. And free money should always come first. Now let's go to step 4. Protect yourself from big disasters. Now imagine this situation. You have savings, you are investing, everything is going smooth and well. Then suddenly something big happens like serious sickness, accident, loss of income, family crisis. One event like this can wipe out everything. This is where protection is important. The truth of the matter is, if you have responsibilities, you need insurance, health insurance especially, and life insurance if people depend on you. This step actually does not make you rich, but it does stop you from going back to zero. And in real life, staying stable is part of building wealth. This leads us to step 5. Understand before you invest. This is where many people lose money in Nigeria. They skip learning and go straight to investing. This is dangerous because Nigeria has a long history of people losing money in fake investment platforms, Ponzi schemes, unrealistic crypto promises, also high return scams. The funny thing is, the pattern is always the same. People chasing fast money, then they lose everything eventually. So before serious investing, understand what you are doing. Learn how risk works, what inflation means, why returns are never guaranteed, how compound growth works. Because once you understand this, you stop being easily tricked. Now, this leads us to step 6. Build stable foundation investment. Now we are entering real investing, but still not aggressive yet. First, build stability. Think of it like building a house. You don't start with the roof, you start with the ground, which we all know as foundation. So your first investment should be safe and steady. Example, Treasury Bills, FGN saving bond, money market fund. These are not exciting, but they help you stay stable. They protect your money while still giving returns. This stage is about control, not excitement. This leads us to step 7, long-term growth investment. Now, after stability, you move to growth. This is where real wealth starts to build. Example, stocks, mutual fund, businesses, real estate, investing into US, ETFs or stocks. Crypto, but here is the important truth. Do not put everything in one place. Spread your money because no investment is perfect. Some go up, some go down. The goal is balance. This is where your money starts working for your future self. Not just saving, not just protecting, but growing. Step 8, think beyond the Naira. Now let's discuss something many people usually ignore, currency risk. Over time, the Naira has not been stable. You and I know that. It goes up, it goes down, sometimes very sharply. So if all your money is only in Naira assets, you are exposed. This is why people diversify into dollar savings, foreign stocks, global funds. Not because Naira is bad, but because Naira is volatile and risk should be shared. Smart investors do not rely on one system, they spread risk. Now, this leads us to step 9. The highest return investment is you. Now, listen carefully. This may surprise you actually because the best investment is not stock, not real estate, but it's actually you. Because if your income grows, everything changes. For example, if you earn small income, even perfect investing grows slowly. But if your income increases, everything multiplies faster. So focus on skills like tech skills, sales, business skills, digital skills, because one skill upgrade can change your income forever. And that in turn changes your entire financial future. Now let's bring everything together. The biggest mistake people usually make is thinking I need the best investment. But the real question is, what should my money do first? Because money has priorities. Sometimes it should remove debt. Sometimes it should protect you. Sometimes it should grow. Sometimes it should prepare you for opportunities. There is no single answer, right? There is only order. And the people who understand this order, they quietly build wealth over time, not because they are lucky, but because they are consistent. So next time money enters your hand, do not rush, do not copy what others are doing. Just pause and ask yourself, what is the smartest use of this money right now? Because that one question is what separates people who struggle financially from people who slowly build real wealth long time. If you gain value from this video, please like and subscribe so you do not miss my next video. All right. Have a nice day. Bye.